Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today's tip or trick is all about rice. Cooking rice. One of the biggest things that a lot of us cook and eat all the time. Rice is life, rice power. I have a lot of Indonesian and Filipino friends, Southeast Asia, Asia in general. So, rice is pretty much like something that I eat a lot as well. And I think that it's something that we do cook a lot, but we don't think about how we can enhance the flavor a lot. So if you already cook your rice at home, don't change anything that you're doing, just change out your liquid. So you're already doing it most of the time with just water, a little bit of salt. Change it out with a little bit of chicken broth or chicken stock if you want a little bit more flavor. If you want to stay vegetarian, they have vegetable stock that you can actually use. Use beef broth. Use these different broths versus just the water because it's just going to increase and enhance the flavor that's going into your rice. This just gives you another flavor boost without doing anything extra because you're already going to pour in the water in your rice cooker or your pan. So you might as well pour in a little flavor here. So change that out. The last thing I'll talk about is rice cooker versus other ways of cooking rice. Notice I do not have a pot on my countertop. I don't cook rice in a pot unless I'm doing rice pilaf or if I'm doing a little bit of risotto. The only two times I use a pot. I get the question a lot about cooking rice. And then when I say, oh, the rice cooker, they're like, oh, but you're a chef. I'm like, yeah. If you go to a lot of restaurants, guess what they have in the back? A rice cooker, because we specifically made rice cookers to cook rice. I have lots of friends who come from countries that they make rice all the time and they have rice cookers. I promise. It's not a taboo thing. Rice cookers are like, get a rice cooker if you're cooking rice every day. Like it's literally the easiest way to make rice. It tells you how to do it. You can put it inside. It can cook all different types of rice, white rice, your brown rice, wild rice, all the rice can go inside of here and you can make it. The other way that we do in restaurants though, is actually in the oven. So it's not using a pot. We put it in the oven. It's 2-to-1. So 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water goes inside. You put on foil. And one of the tips that I would tell you about doing this is if you have parchment paper, put a layer of parchment paper first and then put 2 layers of aluminum foil. This will keep your moisture inside and it kind of cooks and steams it a little bit more like the rice cooker so that it comes out perfect every single time. The reason why we do this in restaurants most of the time if we don't have a rice cooker is because this is a great way to set it and forget it. It's going in the oven. About an hour is all you really need and you're good to go. And then you just check it, bring it out, and it's done. So cook your rice however you've been cooking it with the same quantities of water that you already have, because you already know everybody has their specific way of cooking rice. You use the finger method, you use the method that's on the rice cooker, whatever that is. But instead of using water next time, just add in a little flavor. So I hope this helps you out. A little tip or trick about rice, something that we all make at home. And it'll just change the way that it tastes for every single dish that you're gonna get. So I'll see you next time. Let me know how your rice comes out.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.